What's up YouTube, Jeff back again from dopetechdaily.com. Today I'm bringing you guys my review of Google Clips. Now you guys might remember Google Clips. Google Clips was released last year at Google's hardware event where they talked about the Pixel 2, the Pixel 2 XL. And I'm actually going to go back and do a review of last year's hardware announcements from Google over the next couple weeks. Sprinkle those in between. This is going to be the first one. So a huge shout out to Verizon. They sent me out Google Clips for a review. I really appreciate them getting me out the review unit so I could share it with you guys. So what Google Clips is basically, it's a very simple idea. It's a little tiny camera, as you guys can see, very small. This is my Pixel 2 XL, just for quick size comparison. It's very, very small, and it's just got a camera on it, and it uses artificial intelligence to go through and choose the shots that seem to be the best, and then give you those clips in an app. So the app is right here. You actually have to install it on your phone. I installed it on my Pixel 2 XL. The Google Clips app allows you to go through and then look at the clips which they actually record. The way you start up the Google Clips is just by turning your camera lens clockwise there, and you'll see the little light there. And then you can, of course, see a live preview on your phone. So right here in the app, you can see a live preview of exactly what's recording. Of course, it's recording me recording the video. Now, all of the clips they saved are here at the bottom. One thing that I will say, and perhaps my biggest complaint about Google Clips, is that it didn't really get any shots that I would take on my own. It got a lot of these shots like this, like where I was going right up to the camera. You can see when I was coming right near the camera. I clipped this, it comes with this little silicone clip, so you can actually insert the camera here and then clip it to something. I clipped it to a lamp. You can also use it as a stand like this. I stood it up on my bookcase in my living room, and it got a lot of shots where we were passing by the camera. So you can see it coming right up to the lamp or the bookcase like this. Also shots where we're just sitting on the couch in the living room. Shots that aren't really things that I would care about. So if you're a person who doesn't have any kids or any pets, I'm not sure that Google Clips is going to be something that you're really going to use on an everyday basis. I can envision if you have kids or you have pets that it might catch a lot of action shots of the dog or if your kid's coming up to the camera in the living room, and you might not get those shots otherwise. But I didn't find it catching action shots that I was actually interested in. So perhaps the AI has a little bit of ways to go, but definitely I could see it for the right person being an interesting idea. The app overall is pretty good. Tells you how full the camera is at the top. Tells you about the battery percentage. Battery life also is not that great. If you use this for a couple of hours, it's going to be dead. So it's really something that you want to use in a situational sort of way. That means like at a party or something like that. If you take this to an office party or a kid's birthday party, or if you're going out to a park to play with your dog, you can turn it on, but you're not going to be able to leave this on all day. Eventually the battery is going to run out, and that's also one of the other weak spots. Now, Google has improved this with some software updates over time. The Google Clips app right now can now recognize when people are hugging and kissing, which I think is a little creepy personally. They just added that feature this past week at Google I/O. So now if you want shots of family members hugging and kissing at like a family reunion or something like that, then Google can now recognize that in Clips and will take those shots for you. So of course I might test that and see if that improves things a little bit, but I really didn't get any shots that I was crazy about. Also the price, it was originally $249. The camera is now $199, which is probably a better price, but still $199 for something with a limited use case like this is pretty steep for a single person or someone without that use case that I talked about earlier. Now, just to show you, I know a lot of people are not purchasing this because if you actually go into the Play Store and you search for the Google Clips app, you'll notice that the number of installs on the Google Clips app right there, only 1,000 installs lifetime on the Google Clips app. So obviously that's not 100% reflective of the product and how good it is, but it obviously shows that there aren't a ton of people with a lot of interest in a camera like this. So anyway, if I had to give this a grade, I would probably say a C+. I'm not particularly the target audience for this, I don't think, but for people with kids, people who have pets, they might really enjoy the camera. The price definitely could come down a little bit. I think that's the biggest problem. Even for that target audience, they're not going to be a huge fan of the price. All right, anyways, guys, that is my overview and review of Google Clips. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification icon below You can also find me at dopetechdaily.com, Google+, Instagram, and Twitter. The link's in the description. Also find me writing at gadgethacks.com, where I write about Android. Appreciate you guys checking out the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.